Hi, I'm Danny, owner of Harbour Dog Walking, and this is my dog Callie. I offer a variety of dog care services in and around Poole, including group and private walks. We walk in a variety of locations around Poole Harbour where your dog can explore, play and swim if they like. You'll receive photos and videos of your dogs enjoying themselves on their walks. Each dog is given a live tracking device for safety and peace of mind. It also means I can text you a map of the route we took. I walk a maximum of 4 dogs at a time, so I can keep a close eye on them, pick up all those poos and give them the care and attention they deserve. My vehicle is ventilated with a separate compartment for each dog. For added safety, there is no advertising on my van. I walk a variety of breeds and sizes, ensuring they're grouped together based on activity levels and temperament. Harbour Tales runs various charity days throughout the year to raise money for local animal charities. You can find out more about these on my news page at harbourtales.com. If you'd like your dog to join Harbour Tales, or if you'd like to know more, please get in touch.